Adventure.
Adventure with Martin.
Yeah. Here, Mama.
Ooh, happy birthday, Martin Louis!
Yes. Happy birthday, Martin Lewis.
Why happy birthday, Martin?
Because it's your
It's your
birthday.
tomorrow. Oh, look at
Wow!
the gift also.
Wow, Martin got a
Oh, look
gift.
at this, Martin.
Wow!
Look, we have the drinks that you can drink actually.
Door, wow!
Oh, you want to sleep on your own bed? Mama, you can sleep in your own bed. Yeah.
Wow, we're so lucky naman. Look at that. Martin has that.
Oh, look at this, the fruit sticks and this Lego stuff.
Oh, you get also the crown.
Oh.
You have crown, Martin.
Yeah, you have
Happy
one
birthday to you. Happy
here.
birthday.
Look, you can drink this, huh?
Wow, you have also that. A juice.
I like only
Or we can bring that at home.
happy birthday.
I can bring that at home.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, yes.
Happy birthday, Martin.
Happy birthday, Martin. Oh.
I'm so lucky.
Can we go?
Oh, also the unan is happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Why you change room?
Shoes.
Oh, change shoe.
Yes, so
Okay. Sabi to. A room tour, guys. Ay, uy, kita ang digi. Look, our room. It's a Lego.
Look at the Legoland outside.
We have 2 beds.
See, this is the old Lego book. Yeah, there's the airplane. Look, this
Look
is the old
outside.
Lego book.
why?
That's the old Lego book.
Why that the old Lego book?
And this
No,
is
I think
our
it's the
cabinet para sa damit.
No, this was cool.
Ooh, we have plancha.
Go back now, Mama.
She's so excited. Yes.
Yes.
And this is our mini bar or mini
This.
I can do something. I want to show you.
basurahan.
Look, I can do.
This is our toilet. Ooh. Yes, sink. This is our shower. Ooh. Small but cute but clean.
They have.
And a toilet.
Careful so they don't top.
Ooh.
Maybe they have some Lego movies.
Ooh, look at our bed. Yeah.
What do they have here?
Basurahan.
Oh, look at the TV.
Lego TV.
Lego
Martin, are you
TV.
going? You want to go out na? Wala pala akong t-shirt. No, Mart. Look at that. This is Martin's birthday package. Oh, dalawa pa talaga ang Lego.
Yeah.
Dalawa bang birthday?
The other
Tapos
one.
you have
Under the
this.
table. Take the other one and we open the other one.
Oh, you have also a crown. So lucky. And the bed is happy birthday from Legoland.
Frozen finger.
Oh,
Iikot kami, guys.
I'm super excited. Mama,
Kasi
help us.
the
Put
little
it on
boy
your bag.
want.
Put it on your bag.
Yeah. Yeah, we can go to the stairs. Yeah, yun.
Yes,
Open sila.
what the fudge? I can look like this.
May promotion pizza just in
The pirate ship is closed. Oh, you can make your mark in there. Oh. They're available for Ale.
Lego. Yeah, it's here. Lego lang.
I need to walk.
It's here and then you just walk.
Oh, yeah.
And try it tomorrow. Or here.
Asan na yung bata? Biglang nawala.
Want Papa to follow you inside the box?
Yeah, go. Dapat nagdala pala ako. Ay, naglalaro sila. Ay, libre yung games. Oh, yeah. Ay, Bob, meron pang rest, ano, bukas pa.
Hmm.
And this. And this.
Isang daan.
And that. And I
Ooh.
really want this.
Bago.
Maybe you can just have it. Martin. Martin. Come. What about this?
Martin, no?
Flaske?
Paske.
Bring in Barnehage?
That I have a
Yeah.
Martin, the towel also.
Bili natin sa kanya.
Yeah. Ooh. Yan na lang siguro iregalo ko dun sa dalawang bata. Ito na lang, oh.
I think this is a mat pack.
Yeah, matpake yan. Ito na lang, oh.
Regalo mo sa dalawang 200 yan. Ito yung sa ano, tingnan mo, mas mahal dito. Ito yung doon sa may ano, sa may tag dito. Yung sa...
IKEA?
Yeah,
Legoland.
ano yung...
Ay, ito na lang, oh. 89. Meron ba dito sa Denmark? Sa Norway?
No, no.
Wala, di ba? Saan ito? Ito, ito.
The...
Duh?
You need to go to the, ano.
What's that? Oh, what's that?
Let's eat.
You can go back here tomorrow. Okay. Happy birthday, Marty. Yeah. Happy birthday. Where's your socks?